Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will dive in the Kali Linux terminal and explore some essential navigation commands. These commands work across all Linux distributions, not just Kali. If you haven't set up Kali Linux, don't worry. I have linked a video below. You can watch and set that up on a virtual box. Okay, so let's begin. I am going to open the Kali Linux terminal. Our first command is print working directory, that is pwd. This command shows the directory we are in. When I am running this command here, it shows the current directory that we are in now. So I am in /home/my username. Our next command is ls. ls command will list items in a particular folder. So we are now in /home/my user folder. If I run ls command in this folder, it will show what is inside here. So we have all these files here. If you want to verify, we can go to this location and see if we have these files in that location. So I'm going to open files here. So we are in that location. We are in /home/my username. You can see that here. So we have all the files here. Okay, now I am going to clear this terminal using the clear command. So if I run clear, now the terminal has been cleared. Okay, so coming back to the ls command can be used in various methods based on your needs. If you type ls space --help, you can see all the different options that is available with ls command. For example, we can use something called long listing format using ls space -l. So space -l means it will use a long listing format. So we can try ls space -l. So what long listing means is that we have now more information about the contents of this folder. So if you simply type ls, then we don't have much information, but comparing to that, if you use long listing, then we have more information about the contents of the folder. Now the next command we are trying to use is ls space -a. -a will list all the hidden files. So we will try that. ls space -a. So you can see many files that starts with dot. So these are hidden files. These hidden files are not listed in ls space -l or simply ls command. So you have to use -a to list all the hidden files. Like this, we have many options here with the ls command. If you want, you can take a look at that, but most of the time we don't use all of them. But I would highly recommend reading about all the use cases of all these arguments along with the ls command. Our next command is cd. cd means change directory. For example, if I do ls, I can see we have all these directories inside this directory. So if you want to go to one of these directories, you can use the command cd. So cd space, we will go to the documents directory. So you can see that now we are in the documents directory. Okay, now I am going to clear the terminal using clear command. Now we are in the documents directory, and if you want to go to the parent directory, you can use this command cd space --. So it will take you to the parent directory. So we were in the documents directory and we used cd space --. Now we are in the parent directory, that is /home/username. Okay, now again go to the documents directory. So if I quickly want to go to the home directory of this user, then I can use this command cd space ~. So this will take me to the home directory of this user. Okay, now clear the terminal again, and now we will go to the root directory. So if you want to go to root directory, you can use the /. So this will take you to the root directory. So if I do pwd, it says that we are in the /, which means the root directory. Now if I do ls, you can see the contents of root directory. I will show you in the UI. So now here we are in the home directory of my user. So I'm clicking here and then I'm going to remove this and hit enter. So we have similar contents here and here. So we are in the same folder now. So cd space / will take you to the root folder. Okay, so we are now in the root folder, and if you want to go to 2 or 3 directories forward, you can always do like, I will show an example. So cd space / var / if I hit tab, it will list the directories that I can go to. I will take log for an example, and then I can again hit tab and it will again show you the available options. So I will go to Apache 2 for an example. So we have jumped from the root directory to var, log and Apache. So rather than clicking through the UI, you can do one command and jump 3 directories using the Kali Linux terminal or any other Linux terminal. Okay, so in this video we have covered basic terminal navigation commands like ls, cd and pwd. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.